Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will use the cosine rule to find unknown sides. Once again, we're working in non-right-angled triangles. So to use this rule, you need to know two sides and the angle between. So there is a formula, and it sort of looks like Pythagoras. So it's c squared equals a squared plus b squared, which is Pythagoras, minus a little bit more, minus 2ab cos c. So just like when we were using the sine rule, small letters a, b, and c refer to sides. So this is an unknown side you're finding, and the large letters refer to an angle. So to find a side using the cosine rule, you need the other two sides and the angle between them, or the opposite angle to the side you're trying to find. So this is sort of complementary to the sine rule because we can use it at different times. So to use the sine rule to find a side, we actually needed two angles and a side. Here, we use the cosine rule to find a side when we know two sides and an angle. So you can use the cosine rule when we wouldn't be able to use the sine rule. So let's look at an example. So let's find x in this triangle here, which is, again, non-right angled. So x is like our c, the side we're trying to find. So we would have x squared equals other side squared plus other side squared minus 2 times the product of the other side times cos of the opposite angle. And obviously the angle opposite x is 82 degrees. So once again, we need to make sure our calculator is in degrees mode. Now, if we put this on our calculator, we get the answer about 141.7323, and it keeps going. So this is not the final answer. This is x squared. So obviously, I need to square root that to find x. So x to 2 decimal places is about 11.91. And we just write units because we weren't told units. And that's all there is to know about using the cosine rule to find sides. We're just using a formula like we did. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.